Welcome back to Whimsy Tricks channel. In today's fast-paced world, stress can be an unwelcome companion, affecting our mental health and well-being. But fear not, in this video, we're here to share a collection of life hacks that can help you reduce stress and improve your mental health. Whether you're looking for quick stress relief techniques or long-term strategies for better mental health, we've got you covered. Before we dive into the life hacks, let's take a moment to understand how stress can affect our mental health. 1. Stress can lead to anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues, making it crucial to find effective ways to manage it. 2. Chronic stress can negatively impact our physical health as well, increasing the risk of various diseases. 3. By addressing stress and improving our mental health, we can enjoy a better quality of life and increased overall happiness. Let's start with some quick stress relief hacks that can help you calm your mind in the moment. 1. Deep breathing. A simple but effective technique to reduce stress and anxiety by taking slow, deep breaths. 2. Mindfulness meditation. A practice that encourages you to stay present and focus on the here and now, easing racing thoughts. 3. Physical activity. Even a short walk or a few stretches can release endorphins and reduce stress. For those looking to make lasting improvements to their mental health, these long-term strategies are essential. 1. Establish a daily routine. Having a structured day can provide a sense of stability and reduce stress. 2. Practice gratitude. Keeping a gratitude journal or simply reflecting on positive aspects of your life can improve your outlook. 3. Seek professional help. Don't hesitate to consult a mental health professional when needed. They can provide valuable support. Building a support network is a life hack that can't be underestimated when it comes to mental health. 4. Connect with loved ones. Spending time with friends and family can provide emotional support and a sense of belonging. 5. Join support groups. Participating in groups with shared experiences can offer valuable insights and empathy. And that's a wrap on life hacks for stress reduction and better mental health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these life hacks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on health, well-being, and personal development. Stay connected with us on social media for the latest updates and discussions on stress reduction and mental health. Remember, your mental health matters, and there are always ways to find relief and support.